Hello, I'm here with these magnetic construction blocks. I got these for my granddaughter when she comes to visit. She can have something to play with. She's about to turn 4, so it's a good age for her. I've just got a few of the different types out here you can see, but they come in a nice storage bag that you can, of course they're magnetic, they stick together with a nice drawstring closure. I just have a few of these out so you can take a look at them to see what they're like. Instructions comes with it, shows a variety of different things you can build, or you can just let the kids run loose with their imagination, which is what they're going to do anyway. Really nice quality set, real happy with these so far. Thanks for watching.